Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing and mastering the various channels of content marketing, we'll discuss about social media, how social media has become such a huge phenomena and how social media is used and leveraged to spread content, to reach out to the intended audience, to convey a message, to interact and engage with them, drive conversions, drive traffic and leading to more and more business growth. Let's check them out. Content marketing, social media content marketing. Social media is the best thing that has happened to content marketing. Obviously, yes. Content marketing over the years has gone huge transformation. From the days of writing articles and submitting it to the article directories, blogging, guest blogging, press releases, a lot of things were done say a decade ago, 10 years ago. But with the advent of social media, content marketing has taken a dramatic shift, a dramatic change, and that is precisely because of social media. Social media has provided a perfect platform, an ideal platform, a great platform to share content, to distribute content, to disseminate content and reach out to the intended audience. And this is the best thing that has happened to content marketing. Social media is used, leveraged and extensively used to promote and create awareness through content marketing. Used, leveraged and to disseminate quality information as far as your business, as far as the kind of products, services and solutions are concerned. Top-notch companies tapping social media to spread the message. Every single business, every single company worth the name, big, small, enterprise level, medium companies, they are on social media. Could be on Facebook, it could be on Twitter, it could be on Pinterest, LinkedIn. They are all over social media and they are actually here to stay. They actually build their social media pages, they invite people, they interact with them, they engage with them, they communicate with them, they spread the message, create the awareness, all because they want to drive traffic from social media to their websites and landing pages and look for more and more conversions. Listening, interacting and communicating has become the norm of content marketing on social media. The best way actually doing content marketing by leveraging social media is all about ICE. It is called as ICE. It means interaction, communication and engagement. It is the interaction, the communication and the engagement that takes between the business and the users on social media is all about driving conversions. The best thing actually what you can do as far as social media content marketing is concerned is do not try to hard sell. That will never work. Social media is all about listening to people, understanding people, trying to understand their issues, their concerns, their challenges, their pain points. The more you listen to people on social media, the better the services or solutions that you can offer them. So interaction is what makes the difference as far as content marketing on social media is concerned. These are some of the statistics that are available with us as far as social media is concerned. Facebook with 1.86 billion active people and 1.15 login daily. These statistics as of February 27. These are staggering numbers. 1.15 people log in daily on Facebook across the world. Staggering numbers. Twitter 317 million users, daily active over 100 million people as back as November 2016. Big numbers. The same goes for YouTube, 1 billion users, average time spent is about 40 minutes by the users. Instagram 600 million users, daily active are 400 million people. LinkedIn 467 million users, new members added per second are 2. Pinterest 150 million users, 85% of them are female. If you look at these numbers, these are phenomenal numbers. These are staggering numbers. You cannot think of staying away from social media if you have a business, if you want to promote your business, if you want to create an awareness. And this is actually the place, and the best way of content marketing is spreading the word on social media. What are the strategies that you can think of implementing in leveraging social media for your content marketing activities? Determine your goals of traffic, engagement and conversions. You need to have a social media plan. You need to have a social media strategy. What you want to do, how you want to do, and you need to determine your goals in terms of the kind of traffic that you want to drive to your website and landing pages, the kind of engagement and the conversion that you are looking for to draw from social media. Conduct social audit, target audience scheduling and SWOT analysis. You need to do a lot of analysis, you need to do a lot of social auditing as far as your content marketing strategy for social media is concerned, and that includes who are your target audience, where they are located, the demography, the geography, so that you can pinpoint and reach the targeted audience. You need to do a lot of scheduling as far as the posting and the content on social media is concerned. Whether it's Twitter or Facebook or Pinterest or LinkedIn, you need to have a calendar in place as far as your social media content marketing process is concerned. Develop content strategy, the calendar, the post versus goal and the content engagement. A content calendar, the post and the engagement, how you want to interact. You need to have a content strategy in place for your social media campaigns. Monitor and track analysis. Every activity that you do on social media, it has to be tracked, monitored, analyzed and reported. Extremely important, so that you can understand and analyze how your marketing on social media is working and what you need to do to improve your conversion rate. Continuous improvement based on the insightful analytics provided by the various social media sites. You can track, analyze and improve, go on continuous improvement, so that you can access more and more users, you can drive more and more traffic and more engagement and more conversions. And these are some of the strategies that you need to implement as far as your social media campaigns for content marketing is concerned. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is social media marketing for content marketing, social media statistics and the strategies that you need to implement as far as your social media marketing, content marketing driving is concerned. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.